I think it's safe to say over the last few years, life has been a little bit weird. Following a pandemic, I think all of us could admit that we're a little more vulnerable than we would probably care to admit. Soon you're going to have an opportunity to meet with a Boston Mutual life insurance benefits counselor to discuss some different products that may be able to protect your family. But if you're like me, you spend a lot of time racing to your kid's next event or taking care of parents or trying to get your yard mowed or just working a lot. And when you have a free moment, the last thing you feel like doing is putting together a plan that would protect your family in the event of sickness or disease or even death. And that's why it's so important to take advantage of this opportunity that you have in the near future. And I just wanted to review 4 products for you that I think will help. The first is whole life insurance. And Boston Mutual has a great product because their life insurance is guaranteed issue, which means you can bypass a lot of those medical questions that sometimes trip us up. And the reality is so many people don't even understand life insurance. What's term? What's whole life? Boston Mutual is a very simple whole life policy that as long as you pay the premium, it just goes on autopilot and is the anchor to your life insurance portfolio. Disability. Again, we don't always think that bad things can happen to people or I may get sick. And so the question is, do you have a plan in the event that you were disabled due to sickness or injury? Would you be able to pay the bills if you were off work for 5, 6 weeks or even a couple of months? Oftentimes Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, and a disability plan can really save you in the event of a loss. Accident plans are very common. They're the most affordable and it protects you against the bumps and bruises of life. Maybe you have children that are really involved in sports, or maybe you hunt, or honestly, maybe you have a lifestyle that's just a little bit more prone to accidents. This is something to talk through. They're very affordable plans that often come with an accidental death benefit that's really important to have. And then finally, critical illness. Again, what's your lifestyle like? What's your genetics like? Are you under stress? A lot of times when those things happen, we become more prone to heart attack, cancer, or even stroke. Those are the 3 big diseases that would fall under a critical illness plan. So again, life is crazy. We're trying to do so many different things, and you'll have a great opportunity to meet with a Boston Mutual benefits counselor in the near future. I hope you're able to sit down, have a good conversation, and put some plans in place that really do protect your family.